In this video, I'll show you a really easy way to transfer a foil pattern onto polymer clay. It's really easy, but for the best results, be patient and allow enough time for each step. Here, I'm using PREMO clay. It's conditioned and rolled out to a level 5. I've printed out a design on my laser printer. This printer uses powder toner. It's not inkjet. So what you're going to do is burnish the image face down. Make sure it's good and burnished. And then we're going to wait 5 to 10 minutes. Once I begin to see the clay leaching onto the paper, then I know it's ready. I'll allow this time to set up. Okay, I've waited 10 minutes. Next, I'll use a paper towel and acetone. I'm applying the acetone to the paper, and I'll keep adding and moving the paper towel around until the acetone dries up on the paper towel. As the acetone is working its magic, I'll cut a piece of heat transfer foil. You can find this online. All you have to do is go to Google and search for heat transfer foil. Now then, let's remove the paper to reveal the beautiful toner transfer. We'll apply the foil, shiny side up. Burnish it well. Now, if you're ready, we'll rip it off quickly. Look at that. It's just so pretty. I just love this technique. There's so many possibilities. Look how it shimmers. It's so nice. So since I've used a thin sheet of clay, I can now apply it to a baked piece. Oh, and bonus, you can use the negative foil design to add to conditioned clay too, so you hardly have any waste of the foil. Next, I'm using a scrap piece of clay to demonstrate how you can add your foil sheet. Since this piece is baked already, I added a little raw clay to adhere the raw clay sheet. I'll carefully apply it, trying not to trap any air underneath. I'll use my scissors to cut off the excess clay. Now I'll use my straight blade to tidy up the edges. Hit that like button and let me know in the comments how you'll use this technique. I'm not going to do it today, but you can stretch the foil and it will cause it to crackle. So if you want to try that in the future, feel free to play around with that technique. If this were a real pendant, I'd bake it just like this, and then once it cools, I'd add a textured back along with a bail for the top. You can find unique image transfers to transfer to polymer clay on my Etsy shop, TJ's Art. I'd love to know if you use this technique. Feel free to share your images on Facebook or send it through my email. See you next time.